Welcome to Trading Sadhguru. Hope you are enjoying our video and the contents therein. And the levels which we have discussed yesterday were of immense help to you for both Nifty and Bank Nifty. So almost all the levels which we have discussed yesterday on Nifty as well as Bank Nifty, they are met. So let us look at the levels given and the actual performance of Nifty first. So we were discussing yesterday that we may look for levels of 15,711 and 671. So the range made today on Nifty is on the top side 16,083. So on the bottom side 15,740. So within which Nifty has moved. So levels, both the levels given in yesterday on the top side are met. 7 level missed by almost 29 points. So almost there. Nifty was almost there. Let us look at the Bank Nifty levels which we discussed yesterday. So these were the levels which we were discussing. The actual range made is 34,002 on the upper side and the downside 33,007. So almost a range of 1,000 points from high to low. So what Nifty has, Bank Nifty has done today, there is a gap up and a sideways action for some time, and a first half low is made and then try to recover and a sideways action and then broken out of this level, and from here made a top 34,002 around 2 o'clock, just before 2 o'clock it has made, and post 2 o'clock all the gains made in the day are given and the low of the day is also breached and went down almost in one direction. So the levels given on the top side both are met. On the downside 400, 297 met. So 868 and below levels as discussed yesterday are possible in the next trading session or in a maximum of 2 trading sessions. So what would be the levels that we will be looking for Monday, that is 16th of May. So on the top side there is only one level I'll be looking for, that is 15,847 if there is any gap up or an intraday bounce, and the levels that I will be looking on the downside are 15,711 followed by 15,671. So the scope on the upside is limited. If you see the weekly chart pattern as well as a daily chart pattern, so far lower lows are being formed, and if you look at the peaks, that is temporary tops, they are of the formation of lower highs. So lower low formation is pending. You may see another trending down day, 1 or 2 trending down days before lower low is formed. So as per my analysis, I would be expecting the bottom to be formed in a couple of days. So my view remains on the downside, more on the downside compared to the upside. So let us move to Bank Nifty. So the levels I would be looking on the downside on Bank Nifty is 33,007. That is today's low, breach of which you will see a further down move till 868 and then 538, 377 and 155. So on the upside, if there is any gap up or an intraday bounce, you may see levels of 33, 297 and 400. In extreme bullish scenario, in opening, you may even see 33,534. Though same is the case with the Bank Nifty also. I'll be looking for the levels on the downside. The reason is same. The lower low formation is pending on Bank Nifty as well. So if you want to know more about the lower lows and the lower highs, you may watch our previous video wherein on a daily chart, time frame chart, we have indicated what are the lower lows and lower highs. So many of the so-called celebrity traders have been posting they're in deep losses and they're keeping it on social media as well because of a lack of proper understanding, lack of risk management techniques related to the weather of the stock market. So many of the celebrities what we see on social media and mainstream media, they take one view, like they're seasoned players, either they are hitters or test match players. So they take a view that they either one is seller, they will be keeping on selling irrespective of the market condition, and if they go in the wrong direction, they'll be caught in a very big loss. Some people are purely buyers, they don't sell all the time, they keep on buying in sideways markets, premium gets decayed and most of the times they make losses. So this is a trending down market. So in trending down markets, you don't go against the market. Your view and your alignment should be in line with the overall market direction. So overall market direction from where you will derive? You will derive from the daily and weekly as well as monthly chart patterns. That defines your overall trend. And for intraday purposes, for a few seconds of trade, say for 10 to 15 points scalping or 20 points scalping, you may look for intraday charts. But for the overall trend, you look at least 1 hour and then 1 day and then 1 week time frame charts. So then only you will get to know the overall trend and the long term formation. So we are looking for another 1 or 2 more trending down days. So after that only bottom will be in place, and from where we can expect a sharp recovery. Till that time our bias remains negative. So take care of your capital, trade well, take care, bye bye.